Hi, I'm Fertile. I need to hug some animals. Okay, animal 1. Guys, hug ka dyan. Hindi ka na mag-hug.
Nag-concentrate ako sa mukha ko. Tingnan mo.
Animal 2. Hug naman o. Mako. Yan. Animal 3.
Elephant 3.
Elephant 3.
Ayan, pig 4 na yan. Pig 4. Pig 4. And may piglet.
Kumain na ba yung elephant?
And this one. What kind of animal is this? Giraffe. Giraffe. Giraffe.
Ano yan siya?
Talagang yung paa nakagano.
Hello.
Hi.
Oh, maybe it went there. I just stopped.
Is the program?
Oh, here.